Hello and warming. Welcome to my video tutorial, and today I'm gonna show you how you can get free unlimited coins on Galatea TV without paying anything. Firstly, just come out to Safari on iOS or Google Chrome for Android. Then type 77xcode.com. Secondly, all you need to do just following my video tutorial step by step. Very important steps. You need to unlock this step by clicking on Verify Now in order to get your free resources. If you have trouble, you can watch the final step video tutorial first, or you can ask the support chat AI assistant. After you completed this step, the resource will automatically added to your account. Congratulations! Now you get unlimited coins on your Galatea TV account. But don't forget to watch and follow the final step video tutorial to unlock your resources. I hope you guys happy with this video tutorial. Have fun guy. Good luck and I see you in the next video. Bye.